Alright you guys, today is wash day, and what you're gonna need is a brush, some shampoo, some conditioner, a wave cap, preferably.
Shut up!
Preferably.
Shut the fuck! Shut! Did I say no?
I think I said that right.
No! God, please, no!
Preferably, I think I said that right.
It doesn't matter what you think.
A thin do-rag, basically a thin wave cap. That way the water can flow through and get all the shampoo or conditioner out. Basically the wash and style method. And that's basically it. You're gonna need a towel just to wash your hair. This is basically self-explanatory. So I'm gonna do it like how I do my other ones. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so we're back. So what you want to do, first thing, get your hair wet.
HustleDreamProduction.
Next, it's time to add some shampoo.
20 minutes later.
Alright you guys, after you did the wash and style, you got everything out of your hair, you're basically leaving your do-rag on till it's dry. Now, one of the things that I've never mentioned in my previous videos is that you're not gonna just instantly take off the do-rag and your waves is gonna be on point. You still gotta put in that work, you still gotta brush, you still gotta apply your products, and then, alright, and then your waves will look nice, clean, and healthy, alright? So here's how it looks when it's nice and clean and it's healthy. But first, here's how it looks when my waves is completely dry. So yeah, this is what it looks like when I've been putting in work. So the moral of the story is, wash your hair before you get